today we're gonna try something new. Today I'm going to be baking, and I'm now here at the Maya Kitchen with Miss Rory. Hello, Tita. Thank you for having us here. Tell me a little something about the Maya Kitchen.
Well, it started in 1964.
So 50 years.
Yes, we cater to young girls like you.
Who needs to learn?
Young girls, senior citizens. No, the entrepreneurs who like to start a business.
So where do we go if you want to attend your classes?
You can call us at your Maya Kitchen, 892-1115, or check our website, the Maya Kitchen, at gmail.com.
We're going to be starting now. I'm going to try baking, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so where do we start? Yay! And so, magsa-start na kami. I'm now dressed up in my apron and hat. I'm here with Miss Ice. And we're going to bake! Ano muna yung bake natin? Dark chocolate ganache cake. So, first thing, pagkasamayin muna natin lahat ng dry ingredients. Coffee, yan. Tapos kuhanin kita ng hot water. Thank you so much! Kailangan hot water kasi hindi madidissolve yung cocoa powder sa warm water or sa cold water. Kailangan talaga hot. Evaporated milk. Tapos, mix naman natin itong flour. Maya all-purpose flour. I've learned my lesson, so put it deep inside. Teacup. Tapos, baking powder, baking soda. Next, mag-cream tayo ng butter. Pag sinabing cream, kailangan natin ma-achieve yung cream-like na consistency. So, mahina lang. Lalagay natin ngayon yung sugar. Pero kung maglalagay tayo, gradual lang. Okay, ikaw magbigay. Gradual. Dahan. Ayan? Full of sugar. So, lahat isasalo na dito. Pag ilalagay natin siya dito sa butter natin, kailangan yung sequence niya, start and end with the flour mixture. So, hindi mo siya ibubuhos lahat. Kunyari, kuha ka muna ng one part nito, tapos ito, and then paulit-ulit lang sila. Then, okay. What if like, you're halfway done, pwede na bang kainin yun? Hindi. Tapos, ito yung pan natin. 9-inch round pan. Tapos, kanina nilagyan ko na siya ng wax paper. Kailangan mo siya ilagay para mamaya, pag na-bake, kasi siya mahirap tanggalin. Tapos, spread out na. Hindi masyadong mag-ano yung kamay ko. Okay lang yan. Tapos, i-bake natin siya for 30 minutes sa 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lagay mo na sa ng oven. Here. Taas. So now we wait for 30 minutes. At 30 minutes mo ba? Tawagin mo, ma'am. Oh my gosh. Naka 1 minute pa lang. Hello, Mr. Cake. Are you ready? Okay, game! And ready! After mo ma-bake yung dalawang dark chocolate cake kanina, gagawin na natin yung sauce niya. sa chiffon cupcake. Okay, so we're gonna start! So, ang una natin gagawin, separate mo muna yung egg yolk sa yung egg white. Next natin gagawin nating meringue yung egg white. So, makagawa tayo ng meringue using yung egg white lang. So, kailangan natin doon itong cream of tartar, sugar, para maging matamis, syempre. And then, i-mix natin yung mga dry ingredients. Combine natin yung oil and water. So, scientifically, hindi pwede yun, diba? Lalagyan natin siya ng emulsifier ang tawag. So, ang emulsifier natin dito is yung egg yolk. Kakainin na natin?
Yes, of course.
Oh, wait! Tawagin natin si Tita! Come here! Let's eat na po! Tingnan niyo po! Yay!
Kain na to?
O, sige po. Padali. Gusto niyo. Here na! Let's go!